Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we will explore Tesla in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 7th day of May 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.77. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents a promising selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $285.30 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline and could potentially indicate the beginning of a trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 19.08% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -41.57% and -16.42%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 39.08%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 17.81% to 170.62% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $325.43 and $747.51. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Tesla as stock downgraded to sell candidate." The Tesla stock price gained approximately 0.316% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025. It rose from $275.35 to $276.22. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.53%, with a day low of $271.07 and a day high of $277.92. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.16% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 71 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $19.54 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $488.54, while the lowest was $167.41. Currently, the price is 43.46%, or $212.32, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tesla is encountering substantial challenges as of May 7, 2025, with recent reports underscoring declining sales in key markets such as Europe and China. Notably, Tesla's shipments from China fell by 26% month-on-month in April, indicating a troubling downward trend that has persisted for 7 months. This decline is particularly alarming as competition in the electric vehicle sector intensifies, with rival manufacturers gaining market share. Additionally, Tesla's attempt to trademark the term Robotaxi has been denied by the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office due to its generic nature. This setback could hinder the company's ambitions for launching its anticipated ride-hailing service, which is expected to be a crucial growth driver in the future. Furthermore, a contentious Tesla tax, proposed by lawmakers in Washington, is attracting criticism and raising concerns about potential punitive measures targeting the company. Such political obstacles may have short-term repercussions on investor sentiment and stock performance. In the immediate future, these issues could lead to a decline in Tesla's stock prices as market anxieties rise. The long-term effects will hinge on how effectively the company can navigate these challenges and strengthen its competitive position against other players in the electric vehicle space. Investors will be closely monitoring Tesla's strategic responses to these hurdles as they evaluate the company's future prospects. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Tesla a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Tesla a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Tesla an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Tesla an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned Tesla a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Tesla stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, a buy signal is indicated from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there exists an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $281.96. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is expected to find support at around $261.57 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 29, 2025, and to date, the stock has declined by 5.41%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is identified. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 61 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. Tesla finds support from accumulated volume at $272.20. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated $6.85 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.53%. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.61%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. Nevertheless, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such high ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 420 thousandths of a dollar. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $278.39. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $272.20. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Tanasia Vaibhav, who bought and sold 9,780 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power stands at a negative level, with a ratio of negative 57.197. In total, insiders purchased 900,495 shares, while selling 3,227,569 shares in the last 100 trades. We maintain a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla currently shows several negative indicators suggesting that its performance may remain weak in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a sell recommendation. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we anticipate Tesla will open lower by $1.15, starting trading at $275.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.